Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. My tutorial today I'll be taking you one-on-one on how to change personal email address that belong to your existing Payoneer account. I'll take you one-on-one. We'll navigate through an existing Payoneer account. Once we come to this Payoneer account, we can see Payoneer has changed their platform. We can see good afternoon, John Moirori. So we want to change personal details of this account. For you to own a Payoneer account, you need to have access to the email address, and you also need to have a verified two-step verification where anytime you're trying to log in, it will send an access code to your phone. So we'll come to our settings, then we come to profile settings. Once we come to profile settings, I can see the address is okay, and I can see that this Payoneer account is attached to my phone number, but this I don't have. I lost this email address. This Gmail account, I don't have access to it. So now what I'll be doing, I'll be editing the name of the email address. What I'll be editing is the email address, not the name. So I'll just come here and click edit. Once I click edit, I will it will give me permission to edit. It tells me full name is not now bold. We can see now it is not in black, so it cannot be changed. So we'll just come here and change the email address to a new preferred email address. Then so that the reason we do this is sometimes when you are doing some transactions or you need to change anything from this Payoneer account, it sends email addresses to the former email address. So what we'll do, our tutorial was to change Payoneer's primary address to another one. So we are changing it to skilledexpertwriters@gmail.com. We then will say save. It tells me that the click send email. We'll send an email to Skilled Expert Writers to confirm the update. So once we send that, I think now our Payoneer has been updated. So as we said, our Payoneer has two-step verification that anytime you want to change any details, it will have to send a code to my phone number, so that no fraudster will just come into my Payoneer and they end up changing my details until I give them access. So once I submit, the code has been sent. We can see email address is sent. Your updated email address will show once you click confirmation link we set up in Skilled Expert Writers. So we'll head to Skilled Expert Writers and confirm if they have sent an email address asking the permission to change the Payoneer's primary address from John Moirori to the new email address. So let us go check. So this is the email address. We can see when we come, you can see confirm an update to your email address. Click send and it will send. I will come and confirm. Once I come here, you can see an email address tells me, dear, please confirm you want to update your email address or in Payoneer. I will have to confirm the update. So once I click, I will click confirm update. So upon clicking confirm update, I say that you updated your email address, and this is your new email address is Skilled Expert Writers. Going forward, we will use this email to communicate with you. Remember, your email is usually with your Payoneer username. Back to profile details. I think my tutorial was successful. My tutorial today, I was trying to educate the public on how how to change Payoneer's primary email address. At that point, ensure you thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you find this content useful. Thank you.